Hey y'all, it's Courtney with Underscore Budgets. Welcome to Savings Game Sunday. So we are playing in our February binder. So we've got some Valentine's challenges left in here, and I still got my Christmas stuff in here, but it's all right. We're just, keeping Christmas going all year long. Why not? So our first challenge is from Nurse Court Budgets, which is myself, and we have You Make My Heart Pop. And let me get my scratcher out. I am not prepared, apparently. Where's my scratcher tool? There it is. It's always hiding in here. Okay, so let's roll the dice, and we're gonna go one space ahead. So we are gonna scratch off this one, which is 7. And we'll get my little vacuum out here. And let's see, what kind of money do we have in here? 1, 2, 3, perfect. We'll take those ones and we'll put a 10 in for that 7. And take those 3 ones. So this one is a save 55 and we've got 20, so we're not even halfway done yet. And then we've got our Plan to Save Designs, a cute little gnome. And we're going to go 5 spaces ahead, and I'm not sure really where I left off. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And this is a 6. So again, let's see what kind of cash we got in here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. I'm just condensing right and left. So we've got $15 saved, and that's 10 and 15. Just double checking, making sure everything's mathing up, but it sure is. Then we have another Valentine's challenge from Grammy's Journey. And we're going to go 4 spaces ahead. And I don't remember if it was the 6. I don't know. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's 7. So we'll put 5, 6, and 7. And our next scratcher is from Blue Kiwi Budgets, and she sent this to me in a Christmas card, and I think it's so cute. We're going to finish this one up, and then we have kind of a New Year's challenge on the back. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is 3. I'm trying to decide if I want to go ahead and just finish this one up. I'm kind of thinking that we will. Okay, so we got 3 plus 5. Okay, that's not bad. That's 8. I think we have enough to put 8 in here today. Okay. So 5, 6, 7, 8. And we will count this up. So we got 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. What did I do? 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. Wow. Okay. I must have like messed up at some point. So I've got 44. Okay, so we have 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 4 plus 8 plus 9 plus 4 plus 6 plus 3 plus 2 is 44. Okay. I wonder if she counted that one as a 7 and I called it a 1. I don't know. Okay, well, we're saving 44. All is well. It's fine. We're just going to do 44. I'm not sure what happened. I just wanted to make sure that I wasn't goofing up, but I think that's a 1. It could be a 7. It's probably a 7, and then that would be the $6 difference. So, okay, we're going to put in an extra 6. Okay. We're going to put in an extra 6 because I questioned it a long time ago. Whenever I did it, I was like, is that a 1 or is that a 7? So I think it's probably a 7 and I saved a 1. So now let's see. 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Okay, perfect. Woohoo! All right, we squared it away. It's all right. We'll just have a little bit less to play with in our our match game, but that's okay. All right, so we finished one. Yay! Oh, we gotta add $1 to our ding ding, Queen of Cha-ching. Don't let me forget that. I'm getting so sidetracked with everything. All right, so add $1 to our ding ding. Okay, and because this one isn't like officially done, I'm just gonna set the money for this one back here out of the way. And how am I gonna do that? Because I won't get to count this for February. Well, you know what? We'll just count them both up when I finish them both. That's fine. That's how we'll do it. Okay, so we're moving on to 2026. Just a party goose. Okay, so let's roll our Hey budgets. 1, 2, 3, 4, and see how much this one is. $4. I think we're just gonna do that 4 since all we got left is 1s, but I am gonna take a 1 out of here and take this last 5 and at least kind of somewhat keep it a little bit condensed. And now we're gonna go play in Merry Christmas Matchup and see what we can do. So we got a few dollars left. Yay. We have a few cards left. Not as many as we did last time because we finished one up last time. So let's get these all mixed up here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we only have 10. Okay. Let's go. Well, I guess we'll just have an extra one. Okay, it's fine. All right, are you ready to go? Let's go. Let's see what we got. So we got that cute little snowman. Let's go down here. Nope, that's not it. So we're putting $1 in for our buzzer. Let's go here and here. Another not it. That's not it. Okay, let's go up here. Oh, this one was right here, wasn't it? Woohoo! We got a match, and it's the last one. We don't even have to roll. We're gonna scratch this one, and it's a 3. So we'll put in 1, 2, 3, and then this set comes out. So let me get my cards out here. We're getting very close on this one. I think we shall mix them up since I don't have too many left. That way it'll make it a little more interesting. So we got this little snowman, and that's not a match. Let's see. Let's go up here. Oh. We got a match, but we got to roll because we got a couple left. So 1, 2, 3. And that is a 3. So 1, 2, 3. We got $3 left. Okay. Okay, guys. Let's go here and let's go here. Oh, that's a match. Okay. This is more than 3. This is going to be a bad thing. It is. It's a 6. Oh, yay. Oh, yay. So, okay, guys. I got $3 left. I should have stopped. I should have stopped and just put the $3 in my... Okay, so let's go to our Shoe IOU fund. And these are real dollars. 1, 2, 3. So we are going to add in real dollars into our Shoe IOU, from our Shoe IOU fund. Because I still got some. All right. So we'll know that that's our Shoe IOU. And so far in Merry Christmas Matchup, we have saved 250, 51, 2, 3, 4, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 4, and 5. So $265 we have saved in Merry Christmas Matchup. And we still are going to play next time because we've got 6 cards left. So how many? We've got 1, 2, 3. We may finish this up next time because we've got 3 scratches. That's all we have left. Woohoo! All right, guys. Yay! I didn't get to put any in my catch-all. This one's been hanging out for a long time now. $50 goes so quick, especially with that match game. So, all right, guys, I hope you have a great one, and I will see you soon in the next one. Bye, friends.